Yeah, so I was in the drive-thru at the McDonald's, and the lid wasn't on properly, and it fell all over my midsection, and yeah, it was a bad time. And then afterwards, I tried contacting the McDonald's, and they never called back, never did. So I figured I had to do something. So I called up Brooks Law Group, and they got a hold of it quick, and they got it done, and I got my settlement. Uh, I just searched online. It seemed you guys have some 5-star rating, so it was the first one that came up, and I called. It was great. They called constantly. Jasmine was great personally. They always called, they stayed in touch, and I never felt out of the loop. Mr. Polini, uh, he was also very great, and he stood in touch as well and made sure everything was going smoothly and made sure that I knew everything was great, which I appreciated very much. Yes, I would. Definitely. I could honestly say that they did everything I expected them to do, and they did a good job.